Here we are talking about one of the other members of Roostom's circle, Khurshid Mirzoev, who was recently promoted from the position of Deputy of the Investment Committee to the position of Head of the Agency for Innovation and Digital Technologies, under the President of Tajikistan by order of Emmamali Rakmonoff. This is a recently created institution. When he was appointed to this position, the Asia Plus publication introduced him to its readers as follows. The President entrusted the chair of the first head of this institution to Faizula Zoda Kurshid Mirza. He is the first head of this agency. Until now, Khurshid Mirzo worked as the first deputy chairman of the Committee for the Management of State Investments and State Property of Tajikistan. Before becoming an MP, he was the director of the KVD Tojan Vest of the State Committee for Investments and State Property Management. Although not well known, he is considered one of the key people in the team of Roostom Emmamali, the mayor of Dushanbe, and the chairman of the National Assembly. Since 2013,